Yo guys, how are you guys? I hope you are all well. Thanks for tuning into my channel, the Afnan Tech. In this video, we are going to discuss about YouTube Studio, through where you can download YouTube Studio. Not bad. Look, I am going to discuss about YouTube Studio. Okay, so in this video, we will discuss about YouTube Studio, through where you can download YouTube Studio for your PC. Download. Okay, so let's roll the intro. First of all, we have to see through we have to download YouTube Studio. Download YouTube Studio. Studio for PC. Let's open it as this is my new channel. Last 48 hours no views. Oh sorry, this is wrong guys. And YouTube Studio for PC, Mac, or this is compatible for PC, this is compatible for Android, and you can also download YouTube Studio for Android devices, for iPhone devices. As we all know that YouTube Studio is very important for our YouTube revenue or any YouTube skills, through where we can earn a lot of money from YouTube Studio, because YouTube Studio is so much has an extreme help us for the analytics and for the dashboard, through where we can also see our contents in YouTube Studio. We have a lot of or pure access in the settings. As you can see, this is YouTube Creator Academy, and this is totally YouTube Studio dashbox, or the main interface. In the YouTube Studio there is a dashbox. In the YouTube Studio this is videos. In the YouTube Studio this is playlist. In the YouTube Studio there are also comments, and the most important thing in the YouTube Studio is analytics. In YouTube Studio Analytics we can see all about our video performance, or all other from the studio. We can discuss our everything in the YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio, it is installed by 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh, million, and 10 million. 10 million installation of YouTube Studio has done through this website. This we can, if we want to run YouTube Studio from Android to our PC, we have to download BlueStacks. As we all know that BlueStacks is a application in our PC, through which we can download any Android software or Play Store accessible. And YouTube Studio is so much common. A BlueStacks, okay, and YouTube Studio app. We can also download any kind of old versions for our YouTube Studio. Let's go back to a new website. And YouTube Studio is like, as I already told you, that we can run YouTube Studio in our PC by using oh, I'm so sorry. BlueStacks app player. Install YouTube Studio using Nox app player, and install in Windows 11 in PC. Let's see what we can do. Install YouTube Studio with PC with Nox. Nox is also a operating system through which we can install YouTube Studio in our PC. And as I have a very potato PC, and I could not install Windows 11 for my PC because mm, let's go into this is Play Store. This is not highlighted because YouTube Studio is from this website. Play Store is not compatible with my PC. I even cannot download a single. This is totally Play Store. You can also see people views. Okay, and whatever next. This is our again YouTube Studio. It has gained 4.2 reviews about it, which is quite interesting. There are also some new updates for it. Some people calling it junk, some people calling it wonderful, because YouTube Studio, it is just like you have a toolbox in your car. Quite impressive. Now what to do next? Okay, let's this is Fabineur. It is also quite interesting website for any downloadation of YouTube Studio. I think I have opened again the previous website. YouTube Studio on PC, free download. You can also download YouTube Studio from this website. I will pin this website in the comment section or also in the description section. You can also download any kind of all versions from it, the Disney Hotstar or any other. This is KB browser, fast and quiet. Quite interesting. Subscriber counter, views counter. Okay. Quite good. Let me show you again some images. Download YouTube Studio for PC, Mac and Windows. YouTube app on PC, Studio, YouTube app, download PC, MP3 Studio. This is YouTube Mini, and thanks for tuning into my channel. I hope this video might help you. Goodbye. Thank you.